The term puberty refers to the changes in a child's development that occur when they reach sexual maturity, hence the beginning of adult sexual life. Puberty usually begins between the ages of 9 to 14 in boys and 8 to 13 in girls. Now, puberty is controlled by a hormone released from the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis. Although it is active before birth, it becomes inactive at birth and remains so until puberty. So, in childhood, the hypothalamus does not secrete significant amounts of gonadotropin-releasing hormone, or GnRH for short, while at the time of puberty, the hypothalamus starts releasing significant gonadotropin-releasing hormones. Though the actual reason is still not clear, it is believed that during childhood, the slightest secretion of any sex steroid hormones exerts a strong inhibitory effect on the hypothalamic secretion of gonadotropin-releasing hormones. Now, if you remember from my previous videos on endocrinology, what does gonadotropin-releasing hormone do? Yes, it stimulates the anterior pituitary to secrete gonadotropins, first at night and then throughout the day. Gonadotropins include follicle-stimulating hormone, or FSH, and luteinizing hormone, or LH for short. Now, in males, this luteinizing hormone stimulates the Leydig cells of the testes to release the male sex hormone, testosterone, while in females, what happens in ovaries is that it triggers ovulation, and the corpus luteum is formed, which causes the release of estrogen, progesterone, and inhibin. On the other hand, the follicle-stimulating hormone causes the release of androgen-binding protein, which combines with testosterone and helps in spermatogenesis, while in females, the follicle-stimulating hormone causes the maturation of follicles, converting primary follicles into secondary follicles, thus causing an increased estrogen synthesis and oogenesis. So, both of these hormones act synergistically. You can learn more detail about gonadotropins and their action in our video on endocrine control of reproduction. Well, in females, estrogen is responsible for the development of secondary sexual characteristics, such as development of breasts, deposition of fat beneath the skin of the hips, thighs, and buttocks, and widening of the pelvis. Well, the first sign of puberty in girls is the thelarche. That is breast development. This is followed by pubarche, which is the growth of pubic and axillary hair. And after that is menarche. That is the first menstrual cycle. Whereas, in males, it is believed that the testosterone metabolite, dihydrotestosterone, plays a significant role in the development of secondary sexual characteristics. These include pubic, axillary, and facial hair, darker and thicker skin, increased growth, along with an increase in muscle mass, deepening of the voice as a result of a larger larynx. Also, an important signal of sexual maturity in males include sperm arch, or first ejaculation of semen, also at puberty, in both males and females. Secretion of growth hormone increases due to an increase in sex steroids. This results in an increase in somatic growth. You can find more details on it in our video on somatic and skeletal growth. Now, by the end of puberty, the individual is considered to be fully sexually mature. So, by now, you are pretty much clear on how sexual differentiation takes place and what happens at the onset of puberty. Now, in the next section, we are going to have a look at the sexual response in both males and females. So, stick to the video till the end.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.